A very refreshing good morning to everyone. Myself Priya Raja of class 9th. We are the students of JLM Gayatri Vidya Peeth and we will start countdown for International Yoga Day that is on 21st June. As we are Gayatrians, how can we forget our Gayatri mantra? So let's start our day 1 with Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. As yoga represents our Indian culture, Lord Krishna has given many shlokas in Bhagavad Gita that represents yoga, and I would love to speak this one. Yogasthya kuru karmani sangatya katva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga dhananjaya. The loosening practices or yogic sukshma vyayams help to increase microcirculation. These practices can be done while standing and sitting. So the first exercise is neck bending and the sthiti is samsthiti. Stand with your feet comfortably apart. Keep the hands right beside the body. This is samsthiti. It is also called tadasana. Keep your arms on the waist. Now while exhaling, slowly bend, move your head to the chest. Try to touch the chin to the chest. Inhale and move the head as far as is comfortable. This is 1 round. Repeat 2 rounds. Then the stage 2 is left and right bending. While exhaling, bend your head to the left side and try to touch your ear to the shoulder without raising the shoulder. Inhale and come back to the normal position. Again, while exhaling, bend the head to the right side. Try to touch the ear to the shoulder without raising the shoulder. Inhale and come back to the normal position. This is 1 round. Repeat 2 rounds. Then the stage 3 is right and left neck twisting. Turn your head to the left side so that the chin is in the line with the shoulder. Inhale and come back to the normal position. Again, exhale and turn the head to the right side. Inhale and come back to the normal position. This is 1 round. Repeat 2 rounds. The stage 4 and the last stage is neck rotation. Exhale and bend the head forward. Now inhale and turn your head in a clockwise direction. Inhale and come down. Exhale and go back. Then do an anti-clockwise round. Again, this is 1 round. You have to repeat 2 rounds. Note, these practices can be done while standing and sitting, so do it as if you are comfortable. May cause some strain, so do it slowly. Cardiac patients should do with care. So the exercise 2 is trunk movement. For this, have about 2 to 3 feet gap between your legs. Raise your arms to the chest level with the palms facing each other. Keep them in parallel direction. Now, turn the hands to the left so that the right palm touches the left shoulder. Inhale and come back to the normal position. Again, while exhaling, turn your hands to the right shoulder so that the left palm touches the right shoulder. Inhale and come back to the normal position. This is 1 round. You have to repeat at least 2 to 3 rounds. And cardiac patients should do this with proper cares and do it very slowly and properly.